Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix an Xfinity box blinking blue 3 times.
Fix 1. Restart the Xfinity box. Step 1. Unplug the power cable from the box. Step 2. Wait 60 seconds. Step 3. Plug the power cable back in and wait for it to restart. Fix 2. Check cable connection. Step 1. Make sure the coax and HDMI cables are firmly connected. Step 2. Tighten any loose cables. Step 3. Restart the box. Fix 3. Refresh the box signal. Step 1. Open the Xfinity app or visit the Xfinity website. Step 2. Go to Troubleshoot, refresh signal. Step 3. Wait for the process to finish. Fix 4. Check internet connection. Step 1. Restart your modem and router. Step 2. Wait until the internet is stable. Step 3. Restart the Xfinity box again.